Hello, welcome once again. This is Lecture 5, Module 2, JP212, Advanced Radio Broadcasting. And in this lecture, we're going to discuss on the elements of a radio script. Your instructor is me, Moses Semyemba, from the Department of Arts and Media Studies at the University of Dodoma. First of all, let us ask, why do we call them the elements of radio script? These are the building blocks of your script. This is a sample of a script. And this is a segment. It means that we have some items here. Therefore, these elements, like you can see, are going to be found here. So you can see the content, the item, you see the content of that item, the source where it is found, and also the time that has been allocated for each item. So the script is all about the items, but the main business in a script is these items. So in this lecture, we call them the elements of radio script. So there is no way you can be able to produce or to create a radio script without knowing the building blocks. Like you cannot build a house without having the blocks. So you need blocks so that you can build house. Same way, you need to have these elements so that you can be able to create a good script. That means you as a broadcaster, presenter, or moderator, you have to be acquainted with each one of them. So you have to know about jingle. What is jingle? What is the purpose of jingle in radio broadcasting? What about sign tune? What about station ID? What about calls in? What about ambient sound? What about music bed? You have to know each one of them. And not only knowing them, but also to know the difference between them. For example, there are some people who confuse between promo and commercial advert. There are some people also confused about heater and sweeper because somehow they relate. And also some people confused about jingle, sign tune, and station ID because somehow they relate. Also, there are some people who confused about promo and also in PSA. So we'll also discuss the difference between them. So let me say thank you so much for watching. See you next time as we are going to see each one of them and how to use or apply in radio broadcasting.